That's it. That's it. Keep on pulling. That's it. Hang on to the jib sheet. That's what keep control of. That's it. Good. Looking good. Looking good.
Come join with us as we follow Hugh through a day in the life of a young sailor.
Here, you want to make sure it's not tangled.
Children come to us not knowing what to expect. Many have never been out in a boat, let alone a sailboat.
All right, so these are our buoys, okay?
When I first started sailing, it was a lot harder than now because I didn't know how to do anything. I didn't even know any of the sailing stuff like starboard, port.
While sailing is fun, it is serious business to go out on the broad waters of the lagoon in a small sailboat and bring it home safely.
We were going out on the water and I had no clue what to do. I was kind of sitting in the background just like watching everyone work.
Hi, Miss Kim, I'm so excited for class today. Hey, ready? Yeah. All right, here we go.
Rigging up on the waterfront is a ritual every sailor learns to repeat in meticulous detail. There is only one right way to rig a boat for safe and efficient sailing.
Boom up there too, see, so that's a boom, that's called the gaff boom, and this is the regular boom. You with me?
As the sails go up, the boats are transformed from a gangly confusion of spars and lines to the recognizable shape of a sailboat rigged and ready to go.
Push! We're almost there!
When I first came to sailing, I was clueless. I'm like, how do you do this? I really thought that all of it would be super duper hard, like pulling up the sheets and tacking, and all those words sounded hard to me. I wanted to do this because it was a challenge to me, and I thought that would be a good thing for me, my mind, and my physicalness.
Launching off the beach is sometimes chaotic, with sails flapping, boats pitching, and everyone eager to get sailing. The boat is not in its natural element, ready to go but not yet sailing. It requires a cool head and a confident hand to get off the beach quickly.
And that's the way to do it.
The transformation from shore to sea is magical. Suddenly, everything is quiet as the sails are sheeted home and the boat sails away from the land and into a silent world of sailing free.
The instructor, he handed me the ropes. He's like, here, you do the main sheet. And I was like, okay. Oh, this is weird. And I ended up being pretty good at it. And I thought, hey, I can do this.
See if you can pull it in about 2 inches. Should be able to. That's it, right there. Excellent.
The joys of sailing are boundless. Being out of one's natural element, away from the security of the land, focuses one's attention. The boat is in constant motion. The wind and waves are fluid, with changes in speed and direction.
I learned how to capsize properly.
The best thing I was good at is how to rig and de-rig a sailboat.
All the preparation, the new language and skills come together on Hugh's fingertips as he lightly helms the boat and trims sail. Lessons learned on the water are brought ashore. The discipline, focus, and decision-making required to sail are the same skills we use to succeed in life.
I learned how to listen better, because if you don't listen when you're sailing, you're not going to do very well.
Educators agree that experiential learning is more likely to stick than book learning alone. Sailing is learning through experience at its finest. We sail for life because lessons learned on the water help us navigate everyday challenges.
You're sailing fast.
An organized, disciplined approach to problem solving helps clear the clutter of our electronic world.
It gives you a rush of adrenaline, and which I love, and I just like to be excited and try new things.
The thing that gets me most excited about sailing is being able to steer the boat.
Sailing provides you a structure for making the right choices, focusing on what is important, and setting a steady course for accomplishment and success.
Okay, ready, tack?
My name is Trey. I know how to sail.
My name is Jadelyn, and I know how to sail.
My name is Jet, and I know how to sail.
My name is Hugh, and I know how to sail. This is awesome!
It's you. There you go.